ladies under 13, 400 metres.
Go on, John!
They won't thank me for saying that it is getting hotter by the minute, but they are only running once around. Who's going to win this one? Any particular hot favourite in this particular race? Come on, Longridge, they get the vocal support. But is it going to be Longridge who run out the winners? Six schools in this: Our Ladies, Longridge, Archbishop Temple, Corpus Christi, Broughton and St Cecilia's. 400 metres. Stay in your track, stay in your lane, please.
I don't know whether it's 100 or 200 metres. You could have two kids, you could have one kid who wins one. Just to find out who's the fastest sprinter.
You run it over each, you mean?
No, it's just straight there. I don't agree with it.
Ages, you mean? So you might have a younger one, you might have a younger one.
Yeah. Go on, steady John, steady John! Steady John.
I'm told we've got a seed in this race. The question is he a lightning seed? 400 metres. There used to be a pop group called the Lightning Seeds, and is this one of the Lightning Seeds? It looks like it's going to be Broughton.
Come on,
Broughton will do this, and I'm told that is the Lightning Seed.
Well done, John! Well done, John! Come third.